Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This is part 5 video of using the quadratic equation formula in order to solve and factor and find the zeros spoken of in the part 1 video. So remember part 1, we eliminated options B and D because this particular step wasn't done, right? And so I'd like to show you now. So we left off part 4. This was our last problem that we had here. And remember in part 1 I said, hey, this is 2 over 10 plus or minus 4 times I times the square root of 6 over 10. Right? And that's what I'm showing you here. These two ways of writing this equation are exactly the same. 2 over 10, 2 over 10. Plus and minus, plus and minus. 4i squared is 6 over 10. 4 times I times the square root of 6 over 10. These are exactly the same thing. The only way to make this, to combine these two denominators, you just put a solid line and 110. That's important. If you didn't know that, you couldn't have eliminated those two options in video part 1. So 2 divided, is there a number I can divide in the top and bottom evenly without a remainder? 2 over 10. Yes, there is. Is there a number I can divide in the top and bottom into 4 and 10 without a remainder? Yes, there is. I want to show that to you here in this next step. So you can see here, I'm getting kind of crazy with my paper here. You can see here, you can divide 2 into top and bottom, right? So 2 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2. My tongue's getting in the way. Let me say it again. 2 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. All evenly can be divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 10 divided by 2 is 5, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. I'm going to simplify that now. Even this problem's got me a little bit tongue-tied. So we can see it's 1/5 plus and minus 2/5 I times the square root of 6, right? And again, you can take this drawing a divisor line and just putting 1/5 underneath these two terms is equivalent to separating the terms from the plus and minus and putting a 5 underneath. Okay, so what does this mean? This means 1 plus 2 times I times the square root of 6, all divided by 5. And this means 1 minus 2 times I times the square root of 6, all divided by 5. And so your answer, that's kind of sloppy. Oh my gosh, that's a little bit sloppy. Your answer option will be A. So you go back and take a look at video number 1, A. So remember, when we used the test-taking strategy, we eliminated B and D. So you had A, C, and E options. If you would have guessed A, your answer would have been correct. So by eliminating those other two options, you increase the odds, right? 1 out of 5 is, around 20%. So you went from 20% to 33% by eliminating those two options if you can use those test-taking strategies. So 1 plus and minus, 2 times I times the square root of 6, all divided by 5. That answer is A. And as I mentioned earlier, I want to get this here on video so you can see how to search these different type of problems using the internet in order to practice, right? So when you get online, search online for worksheet problems, quadratic formula equation problems with answers. It's important you check your answers. You can find friendly quadratic formula problems. You can find very difficult problems like the one we just completed. Check your answers, and if you get it wrong, look over your steps, right, very clearly. Spot your mistakes and then try another problem. Don't make those mistakes again, and you'll get better and better and better with each time you try. Hey, don't give up. You can do this. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. If I've helped you, please help me to help others by liking, following, and sharing these videos. Your gifts, your stars are most greatly appreciated. Help me to continue to come and make these videos for others who are trying to pass these HiSET and GED exams. Help them learn and understand test-taking strategies. Thank you for your time. Math is easy. Take it step by step.